Hello, these are our red bananas, Ensete Maurelii. It's the same type of banana that you saw me propagate in another one of my vlogs. These are not hardy plants, so they have to come inside for the winter. So in the autumn, we dig them up and we bring them into the porch for safekeeping. Last year, it was a bit of a struggle digging them out of the ground, so we've decided to take a different approach this year, and we're going to make some large planters out of some wood. So here we are, very nearly finished, 2 planters. What do you think of it so far? It looks a bit rough, but when this is stained black with a top on it, with a mitered corner, it's going to look pretty good, I think. And I'm very pleased by the fact that it's made out of recycled or upcycled wood. There's the original drawing. As you can probably see, 16 pieces of equal length pieces of board, legs for the corners. I've still got to do the bottoms, which I will show you in a moment. Then I will put a mitered top on it, on the corner there, which will just tidy it up. It's a bit wobbly because it's on cobbles. The legs, I can assure you, are the same length. So, bottoms next, then tops, then stain. See the frame inside the boards are going to rest on when they've been cut to size. So there we have it, 2 giant planters for 2 pretty giant bananas. The only thing I've got left to do is fix the second top in place, and I'll do that after it's had its second coat of protection. Now, despite the fact that it's sunny and it's deceptively warm this afternoon, we have had the coldest April on record, and these are just not hardy plants. So I'm going to leave them in this corner against this warm wall in a very sheltered position for at least another week, and eventually they'll be moved onto the main patio at the back of the house. And because they're in planters, they'll be watered and fed regularly. They're very hungry plants, these red bananas. Now, I've just bought myself a mini meadow off the internet. It's only 3 meters squared, and it will be perfect for one of my raised beds, which I had a herb garden in last year, for bees, butterflies and bugs. So my next vlog will be about planting a mini meadow, and we will track its progress. So please do subscribe, like, hit the notifications bell and comment below if you wish. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you very soon.